My name is Chris Chaput. I'm here at the Skate Trip Distribution headquarters. This is my skateboard company. This is a culmination of about 40 years in the skateboarding market. One of the reasons that we gravitated towards HSMWorks was because we knew that we were going to have to do a lot of prototyping in-house. We knew that we needed to take my ideas, or to take those designs and to start cutting metal and to start being able to bolt those onto the bottom of the board and test them out. We had started out with a competitor to HSMWorks that will remain nameless. And to be honest, I was really disappointed with what I found. The interface was horrible. I was asking myself, wait, this is the quote industry standard, or this has a user base? Am I the only person that, that has seen this? Bottom line, it was time consuming. It wasn't seamless, and time is money. I need to be able to take my ideas, give them to Chris, and get cutting on the machine. And HSMWorks provided that. We actually started out with HSM Express, the 2.5D software. Like a lot of people, we downloaded that for free off the internet. And a lot of the parts that we designed didn't really need much more than that. Some of these beautiful trucks that you're seeing here can be accomplished with that. But I'm never really satisfied with just average or decent, so it wasn't too long after that we got the 3D package and really started hitting our stride. We went ahead and got with Haas, and the secret ingredient though was now, a lot of people think you buy the machine and you put your SolidWorks drawing in there and a part comes out like it's a vending machine or something, and then the reality is it doesn't work like that. That's why it was super important to have an interface like HSMWorks within SolidWorks, so that we just were already comfortable and able to just hit the ground running. The intuitive nature of the interface and this drive to be able to get stuff done in-house and to make these small incremental changes, it went beautifully, and I couldn't be happier with that relationship that I have, where as the designer and the CAD guy, I can literally take all these small little changes without driving this guy crazy, because the changes that I make just get propagated right into the CAM software. That is completely different than our experience before, where you could practically just see his body. Every time I said, hey, I've got another change, it was like, oh God, here we go again, because it wasn't seamless. It wasn't easy. So nonetheless, we went to, from people that were having a hard time getting anything made without spending thousands of dollars, to the guys that could go in the back room, put the new designs in, cut metal, slap them on the board, and go out and session that afternoon and have our answers about our theory. It's one thing to purchase the software. It's another thing to be able to get the kind of help that you need, or to have the ability to move forward and to get unstuck. We've had a fantastic relationship with HSMWorks, being able to just call in, get to talk to a human who understands our issues and goes right to the problem. Autodesk has allowed us to take control of our processes and our business. We're able to do what we do now better than anybody else on the planet because of the software. It sounds silly, it sounds stupid, but I'm not a rocket scientist. I'm a skateboard scientist, and Autodesk has made it all happen.